Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So what we have in the shop today is a very beautiful Aston Martin DB11 that is in for our Quicksilver Exhaust upgrade. So now the car is being lifted up on the hoist and we'll remove the factory exhaust out from the car later. Also, we will put it side by side to compare with the Quicksilver exhaust system that we will be fitting on later, as well as talk a little bit about this DB11 because, as you may know, the DB11, apparently there's two different engine variants. One is the 4-litre V8 Twin Turbo and the another is a V12, and our client's DB11 is actually a V12 model, so this is a 5.2-litre. So later, once we get the Quicksilver exhaust fitted, of course the car will sound way better. And before we start the job, we will first do a little bit of sound test to listen how does the DB11 sounds with the factory exhaust system. Now we have removed the factory exhaust out from the DB11 and we put it side by side to compare with the Quicksilver exhaust system, and we'll talk a little bit about both of these systems, the key differences between the factory exhaust and the Quicksilver exhaust. First of all, from the size, obviously this factory exhaust system is very huge, very heavy, and also it is very restrictive because, as you can see, there is a very huge muffler on the factory exhaust system, while on the Quicksilver system, as you can see, this is Quicksilver's Sound Architect Titan system, whereby the center muffler is actually titanium material, but for the rest of the parts, these are stainless steel. So basically they welded the stainless steel together with the titanium muffler casing. And with this Quicksilver system installed, we will be able to achieve a massive weight reduction because of the lightweight titanium material. So according to Quicksilver officials, this factory rear muffler section weighs about 16.6 kilograms, while for their Quicksilver Titan Sound Architect system, this weighs at only 9.8 kilograms. So that is quite a massive weight difference between this factory system and the Quicksilver system. So obviously with the Quicksilver system installed, the car will definitely sound way louder, way aggressive, because it actually frees up the exhaust gas flow, which is very restrictive on the factory system. As for the valve control function, this Quicksilver system is fully comply with the factory control, whereby you can operate the valves using the comfort mode, Sport and Sport Plus modes. So basically, later we will transfer the electric valve actuator from the factory exhaust and put it on the Quicksilver system. So for the Quicksilver system, when the valves are fully open, the exhaust gas flow flows directly through these larger diameter pipes. And when they're closed, the exhaust gas flow will flow into this muffler before it exits from here and to the tailpipe section. So with the valves closed, of course the car will sound a little bit more quiet, but when it is fully open, the car will sound very aggressive, very loud with our Quicksilver exhaust. While for the exhaust tips, these are the original tips which we will not replace. So for the Quicksilver system, we will be using back the OEM tips to retain its OEM look on the DB11. Now we will talk a little bit about this very beautiful DB11. So as we speak earlier, there is two variants of the DB11, whereby one is 4 litre and the other is 5.2 litre. So this is a 5.2 litre V12 Twin Turbo charged DB11 right under the hood. And with the V12 engine, the car is capable of pushing out about 600 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. While for the 0 to 100 century sprint, it is achieved by about 3.6 seconds from 0 to 100, and with a top speed of about 320 kilometers per hour. So now we are going to talk a little bit about the spec of the car. As you can see, the car is finished off in this metallic black color, a very low profile color. While for the brakes, the calipers are painted in black color as well. So basically this is a bone stock DB11. The only modifications that the car has for now is the Quicksilver exhaust system that we have already fitted onto the car. And right over here on the interior, the car has a black color exterior, but a very classy two-tone black and white interior, which gives the car a very premium and classy look. So this is how the DB11 sounds with the Quicksilver Titan sound architect system. We have only installed the rear section for now, but definitely the owner have more plans for this car in future. Probably he will also replace the Sport Cat's downpipe section. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the V12 DB11? How does it sound now with the Quicksilver exhaust? If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.